People are dying. People are drowning. People are stranded. People are homeless. People are depressed. People are oppressed. Famine. People don't have what to eat. Prices of things have skyrocketed. Everything is hard. Jesus. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the time is over there. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am not happy. I am not even supposed to be smiling. I am in pains. For those who don't know, there's an ongoing flood crisis in Nigeria, which most states are badly affected. We have Kogi State, we have Bayelsa State, we have Anambra State, and a few others. Badly, what I mean badly affected. Don't worry, relax. You'll see video clips about it and picture clips. I watch.
This is funny. So they really can you they go. Where you they go? Well, this be sunny again. Man, this is something else. This is something else. Look at the level of the water. Above window.
You don't fly finish. You go to the next location. Madam, tell us how did it affect you?
See what I do that so. This one I die now. Now I manage private. Now I go do my head. Now so go the next city. Yeah. Person was about but you go you see the tea.
Where Madam, where is your birthday?
My bed as I tell you like this. This time my house now. Not like this. I just manage private. So money you know how much you know the shop for inside though.
This is a community in Okada Zarama called a Karama, where the entire community is submerged now. You can see for yourself. And I'm with the primary ruler of the community. Just your name.
My name is Chief Gospel Oscar.
That's Chief Gospel Oscar, the primary ruler of this community. He is here with us. You can see.
You don't fly this place?
Yeah, yes. Hi. People are truly suffering. They all need your help.
Did you see for yourself? That's just a tip of the iceberg. You've not seen anything yet. I couldn't even vlog, I couldn't even video because if my camera falls inside that water, Oyo is my case. Sorry will be a sad statement at that point. So I couldn't really vlog. I am a victim of flood. And guess what? I'm in my office now. Working to please my government that doesn't care about me in the flood situation. No IDP camp, nothing, nada. Bayelsa State currently is now an island on its own. It is cut off from different states, from neighboring states. We have no access to River State. We have no access to Delta States. On the left and on the right. On the left is Delta State, on the right is River State. We are totally cut off. Persons cannot come in, persons cannot go out. Because the road is cut off. So tankers coming to supply fuel cannot come in. So for the first time in my life in Nigeria as an adult, I have seen or heard, in fact, I have seen, because last night I saw it, fuel price a liter for 800 naira. 800 naira for a liter. Per liter, just 1 liter. And what will 1 liter do to you? Nothing. So you have to buy more. People are suffering. Bread is over 1,000 naira. You cannot even eat it. It's over 1,000 naira. Onions, 3 small ones for 500 naira. It has turned gold. In fact, tomato you can't even see with your eyes. If you see, you can't afford it. Meat, if you struggle to see meat, you can't afford it. Meat has turned gold. Fish has turned diamond. We are experiencing flood, but they don't care about you. Wherever you are, if you like, live on top of your roof. You must come to work. If not, you won't get paid. And this period, the month has not yet ended. So we're in the middle parts of the month. People don't have what to eat, no money. People have exhausted their salary of the previous month. People are dying. I went to a location. The day I got there, the current from the flood came and just swept off a child, and that child is gone for life. A woman and her 3 children were living in the house, sleeping at night. The way the flood is going there, by the time you sleep, wake up, it has increased. As she was sleeping, the flood came and wiped off she and her 3 children. It comes with a current. Do you know how ocean the current is? Like when you go to the sea bank, you go to the seashore, in a beach, you know, when you stand, you play, and this current, the wave comes with this current, and it comes, sweeps off the earth's surface. That's how it is. If you're not standing well, it will take you. But this one, the current is more than that one, with waves. Waters are running. It's just that inside the capital city in Egua, where I live, it doesn't have so much current. But outside the capital city, that's where the currents. My office is not flooded, so I have to come to work. People swim in capital city. People use boats inside the streets. The water is as high as some people their chests. You cannot swim. It is sad. My husband is stuck in Rivers State. He cannot come over to see his family. I cannot go over to see him. Because even if you can swim, the current is as high as anything. Erosion is even taking place. Erosion has eroded our roads. Houses, over 100 of houses have been eroded into the rivers. I was in a place, and as I was just there, people just heard boom. They say that's another house that has fallen. I used to hear of erosion, but I've never experienced it until now. Erosion chopped off the foundation of a building, carried it like this, lifted it and threw it inside the water. I was like, no, I'm not going close. I couldn't even vlog, I couldn't even video because my mom was around, her phone fell inside the water, my sister's phone fell inside the water. I should not bring up my own gadgets because I want to video. Sorry. I couldn't even vlog. People were running out. You know water, you can't run out of it. I thought of where to run to nowhere. My area is flooded. I thought of last I'll go to my family house. That my father's DPC is as high as anything. When the flood is covering roofs, I'm talking about DPC. My father's house is flooded. My sister's house flooded. They've even parked. They parked to my parents' house. That place too, they are running out. People are going to sleep in churches. Churches are flooded. So where will you go to? Will you live on top of your roof? Will you live on top of your roof? My own branch of church is not flooded. People have crowded up. It's like a camp, a community on its own. But you will not be comfortable. Do you know what? In fact, even these clothes I'm wearing is my cloth. But I just, anything, I won't lie to you, my cloth is smelling damp. I just had to perfume it and come to the office because you're working for the government. You must come. If not, no work, no pay. No food to eat. No food to eat. People are not bringing in goods anymore, so you can't even buy. As I'm telling you, my rice, my house, the bag of rice, we ate the last one like 2 days ago. We don't have rice to cook again. You can't even afford it. Nowhere to buy. Goods are not coming into town again because no border everywhere. It's not that it is flooded, they can't drive in, but the road has broken into two, and those canals underneath are just pushing water. The force of the water is breaking canals and invading into community, states, and so on. Houses are flooded to roof level. The only thing any person can do for anyone in Bayelsa right now is to send them money, because you cannot even send them food stuff. Is to send them money and they will purchase the ones that still get. People are hoarding what they have. What I have in my house is basically gari. You drink morning, drink afternoon, drink evening. Which people are still petting those ones, because if it falls inside the water, imagine you staying in an elevated, you knock blank and elevated your food stuff, just the gari. I can't even afford onion. Onion is good. to tell you things are really, really bad. Even if you want to cook, where do you want to keep your gas or whatever to cook? Inside the water. People are eating from hand to mouth. People are dying. People are dying. People are dying. No money. Even if you have money, you can't afford it. Local bag of rice is about 45,000 naira. Who can afford that? Now, I'm even thinking of, let me even at least buy a half bag. I don't even have the money. I don't even have the money. Because all the money I have, I've spent it trying to wage the flood, but the flood still flooded the area. People have called carpenters, knocked things, molded block places, do this to wage the flood, but it's still coming. So what do we do? Please, I need your advice. It's like I'm losing it. It's like I'm losing my mind. And right now, someone is even staying with me. It's even painful. You can't even cater for the people in your house. I was even complaining, people like, you even have gari. My colleague is telling me she wants to come and get gari from me. Jesus is Lord. And we are civil servants. People tell us like highly paid, right? There's no money anywhere. Chichi, no body. My colleague's fence fell on their pieces house, fell on their dog house. Pieces, it fell on their tanker, their pumping machine, busted by pieces, everything. So they don't even have bathing water. Their place is exposed. And the painful part of it is that inside this predicament of people are still going about swimming to rob houses. Cost of solving their immediate crisis based on this issue is over $1 million naira. And our salary is not even up to $1 million. So how will they cope? Talk more of feeding. People you don't even have where to beg from, because there's practically nothing. Nothing. People selling in the market have increased their prices to times 10 because they have just little, and if that one finishes, there's no way they can go and buy. So, people are suffering. People are suffering. If you think I'm lying, pause, Google it, go to Facebook, Google Bayelsa flood 2022. Other states are dying also, but Bayelsa only. In fact, if I'm complaining about Bayelsa, Kogi people, Kogi state is worse. You know, they are the confluence states. They are in between River Niger and River Benue. they are dying. Have you seen dead bodies in Anambra State? Flood too bad. We are begging God. We know we've offended you. We've sinned against you. Please forgive us. Have mercy on us. You say you will not destroy the world with flood again, but people are dying. God, please have mercy. Please, wherever you are, just pray for us. See, it's a sad note. I'm going to end this video here because I'm not even eating. I don't even have strength to exhaust the energy I don't have. Last night, so I didn't eat before sleeping. That's the thing you see. I'm going to edit here. Just pray for us. Pray for us. Call your loved ones. You have persons in such places. Make sure they are not dead by now. Where do you even run to? You can't even run out. I felt like leaving the States. I cannot even run out to another state. Everywhere is blocked. Everywhere is blocked. For my husband to cross to come and see us, I heard you have to climb tipper where they load about 300 persons in a tipper to get to a point, because the waves from the roads, the water, the flood is pushing away vehicles into the sea, into the water. So normal vehicles cannot ride. Jeep self cannot ride. Jeep current throws Jeep into the river. Only tipper, trailer, tipper that can pass to some extent. Then from there, the individual will come down and swim through the waves and currents. If you survive, you can see your family. But if you don't, rest in peace. And that's the risk. I feel like I can't handle it anymore. I need my husband to be around me. My son, where do I keep him? The person staying with me, where do I keep them? It's like I'm going crazy. It's like I'm going gaga. This is my vulnerable state I'm sharing with you guys. But God is still God. My husband is still insisting on crossing over to see us. I don't want to lose my husband. God forbid. Just pray for us. Please pray for us. And subscribe if you've not subscribed. Like the video, comment and share. People are dying. People are dying. Starvation is killing people on one hand. Flood is killing people on the other hand. Prices of things are sky.
Bayasa Airport Junction, Masuma Yenengwa Road. This is the road to the airport. We've got this section of the road, the first section of Masuma Yenengwa Road, that has been sliced through by the force of the 2022, sorry. The date is 17th of October, and the time is around about 11:10 a.m. Albert Buku signing out. This is Albert Buku on it again. This is about 12 midday, same day, October 17th. Reporting live from Masoma Road. This is the second section that the flood had cut the road into two. First one I reported from was the one at the airport junction, where you can see you can't see any human around this part. We have to use a boat to ferry ourselves down to this part. This is the second section of the road. You can see the force of the current. Albert Buku, reporting live from Masoma Road, 12 midday, signing out. Just loving nature and doing my own reporting.